just wanted to hop on real quick to tell you about our next giveaway. It is, Mike, should we show them now?
Just in a second. You can come over and show them.
Okay, we'll show you in a second, but let me tell you about it. There are 2 keywords.
Yep.
Road trip was one, and the second one was ghosts. This is to commemorate our recent little trip to, oh hey baby Yinzer, to commemorate our trip to Kinzu, and we stayed in what we think was a haunted mansion. But anyways, so in a minute we're going to show you what we're giving away, and below this video in the comments we need you to comment either ghost or road trip. But here's a little twist. We want to give you a chance, an extra chance to win this prize that we're about to show you. And to do that, you can comment twice with both of those words, road trip and ghost. If you just choose to comment once with one of those words, you'll still be entered once. Or if you put both of those words in the same comment, you'll be entered once. We want to give you 2 chances to win those. So 2 comments, 2 words. So here's what we have to show you.
And it may look similar. It's another camera. It's blue. It's another Go Cam, a Vivitar Go Cam. It's a 12 megapixel. Has a car mount, bicycle mount. The SD card's not included. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and also you can get some other different. Actually, I think these ones are the ones that are included. So all these are included in it. So we will ship this plus a couple stickers we'll throw in to the winner. So it will go from Monday, whenever this video goes up, and up until what's next Sunday?
Next Sunday would be the 20th, I believe. 17, 18. Yep, the 20th.
So it'll go to Sunday at midnight Eastern time. You have to enter, and on Monday we will draw the winner and post another video with the winner, and then whoever the winner is, reach out and contact us, and we'll send this to you free of charge.
You have seen how much fun we've been having taking our cameras on our adventures and sharing them with you. And we want you to have that same opportunity, whether you share them on YouTube or you just share them with family. Having a small little camera like the one we just showed you is a really awesome way to capture those times when it's really hard to carry a big old camera around. So thank you for watching, and like, share, and subscribe. Oh, we forgot to mention, in addition to commenting, you have to be a subscriber. So like, share, subscribe, comment on this video twice. You know the 2 keywords, and we will see who wins next Sunday.
Also, maybe even come up with a creative sentence whenever you comment with those words. See what you can come up with. I know the last giveaway we did, a lot of people came up with some very creative comments. So, and the girls, the other 2 Yinzers picked these 2 words. So,
all right. Well, we will see you later. Have a great week, and good luck to you. Bye bye.